In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing your Facebook page name. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Next, locate and select your Facebook page, which you'll need to turn on if it's not already active. Now, click on the Facebook page icon in the top right corner and scroll down to select Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings and then Profile Settings. Here, you'll see an option to edit your Facebook page name. Simply click on it and enter your new name, then click OK and review changes. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password before you can save the changes. Once you've entered your password, click Save Changes and your Facebook page name will be updated. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily change your Facebook page name. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.